How to add beneficiary to Alliant Credit Union account. Visit the Alliant Credit Union website. Log in to your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, look for the option that says Manage Beneficiaries. Click on Manage Beneficiaries. Enter the beneficiary's full name, date of birth, social security number, and relationship to you. You may also need to provide the beneficiary's contact information, such as their address and phone number. Choose the accounts to which you want to add the beneficiary, example, savings account, checking account. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. After reviewing, submit the form. Alliant Credit Union may provide a confirmation message or email once the beneficiary is successfully added. If you're unable to add a beneficiary online, or if you prefer to do it offline, you can contact Alliant Credit Union's customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching.